What's up, guy? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Halobebe Official. Guys, I'm coming live and clear from my beautiful home. As you can see, everything shall be good and well, guys. And I want to say thank you a million. May God bless you for those who are welcome to my channel and watch full length of my videos. And much greeting wherever you are. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And it shall depend the time where I'm watching this vlog for today. And actually I'm trying to shoot these videos on evening time. That is my time here in Africa. So let me check my local time here. It's 16:40 p.m. So that is 4:40 p.m. my local time here. So guys, finally I'm back to my project. So I need to work as one unity. We need to work as one family. So as I told you, our family, they need some special toilet, not too much special, but a good one, and bathroom. So right now as I speak here, guys, it's a special day, another day which God have granted us. And guys, every time I appreciate you, and today it's another surprise. And I know for other people, they want to ask me, hello baby, you every day surprise after surprise. It's by God's grace. And when you became a good person, you will be humble, honest, kind. You are hospitality to another people. You are socialized. Things can move on. So all the time, man, I want to move with positive vibes. So as I move on, there is some calf of the cow making noise. Wow. What's up? Right. So in case you're new here, let me show you my project. And I think tomorrow morning, I want to start squeezing this sand here. In case you're new here, so I have some receipt or some recipe of my project, maybe material that are needed. Guys, in case you're new here, so I have my small book here. I want to show this is my small book. And guys, maybe I'm standing in front of you before I want to telling you what are inside here. So there is 20 feet, and when you go, the length is 8. When you come that way is 4. So it needs a lot of material. And guys, you done a lot for me. I want to appreciate you. And in case you are new in terms of construction, try. You just believe on me. Try once. I've already made some blocks, buying some sand, stones, and I'm remaining with steel bar, cement cement 17 bags. It's enough for me, so I can start from the foundation, putting slab and all documents. So me, I'm showing you, in case you're new here, there is I have one of my mason give me some toilet quotation. So like one piece of D8, 5 pieces of D12, 5 pieces of D10, 2 kg of binding wire, one iron sheet, that's 3 meter, 4 pieces of timber, which is 10 feet, 8 pieces of off-cut. Off-cut, I mean when you cut the timber like this, when you have inside, so the outer could call the off-cut, in case you're new here. So, and then one pipe, that's 10 feet. So, and then nails, 2.5 kg, 2.5 kg, 3.5 kg, and then all the stuff. And the man of labor is 600. Walling, I mean the labor is 14,000, and in those 14,000, slab from foundation to slab is 6,000. Walling. So walling is when you set up the bricks or the blocks. I mean, going up, and then you have some image of the toilet. So it's 8,000. So that's the amount of the labor. And guys, in case you think I'm lying, let me show you this. Just here, you see. So that's my recipe of all toilet quotation, you know. So he just written for me random, in case when I get some money I can purchase some material that are needed, you know. So it's slowly until when I finish, you know. Man, I'm just supporting my family. I'm just taking care of my family. You watch my video, man. If you think I'm lying, go and check my videos. I'm not the guy who blagging things, you know. So maybe for other people, they wanna say hello, baby. You just maybe, you just crying. I'm not crying, man. You know, I'm just here to support my family. I take care of my sister, taking her to school. So that is the big issue, man. And sorry for saying these words that I'm crying. I'm not crying, man, you know. So in case you have some problem, let's say your problem and people can solve it. Even my mom can solve it. For example, when I came to my mama house and then said, Mom, I'm feel hungry. My mama, she wanna decide to give me some food. And I'm just here to telling you guys the reality. So my toilet or my project need a lot of material, and 70% we have managed to buy some material, but I will remain with the issue one. You know, when I cover the slab downward of my project or of my toilet, I can have enough space, I can be free. But right now, anytime, you might know, maybe wild animal can fall inside. We have goat and chicken can fall inside. But our kids, I put some rules. From here, going down that way to my project, it's outbound of the kids. When I found any kids there, man, she wanna cry a lot. But I'm not the guy who beating some kids. I'm the guy who love kids a lot, you know. So that is my quotation. I'm repeating again. Maybe I'm zooming, you see. So that's my toilet quotation. I was be given by one of my mason, which he was the professional one. So in case you're new here, let me show you another material. For those who are new on these videos, maybe you're a new subscriber, I want to show you the material. So I make some blocks. I've already bought some stones for the foundations, and sand is already on the ground, but I'm remaining with cement. And the mason told me 20 bags of cement, and I'm not lying you, I have already have 3 of them. So I'm just making a research, or I'm working on 17 bags of cement, and 1 bag of cement cost 930 Kenyan money. So in terms of USD, man, I'm not accurate. So you can Google and you see. So I just showing you, in case you're new here on these videos or you are new subscriber, these my stones over here. So this one tramp, and this one tramp of the sand that you see here. So I've already made some blocks of my toilet, and it's already on the ground. When my time reach, I can start constructing my toilet, man. So it's over here. So I'm trying to make 200 blocks and above, but I'm using the metal that's using to make this block is so big. So the mason told me it's okay, it can finish your toilet. So I'm remaining with the cement. So the cement I can start for the foundation of setting of the stones, you know. Wow, what's up? Right. In our village here, farming is our backbone. As you can see, we have some collard greens. Here we have cowpeas. So this is small garden. We have onions, bulb onions. Yeah, we have some maize corn over there. Yeah. So let me show you. Very soon I'll demolish this toilet here. It's bring in this family some shameless. I want to demolish after making my toilet, you know. So let's move on. So let me show you that remaining cement. So the mason on that quotation need 20 bags of cement, and I have already bought. No, I'm not bought. The remaining one is 3. So I'm just making a research or working on 17. Guys, this is what I'm calling home. A small family, a humble family. So I'm trying to support this family. And, you know, this is my house in case you're new here. Wow. So this is the remaining bags of cement. Is 3 bags of cement here. This is 1, you see, 2, and we have another one here, 3. So I'm just cover it. Wow, that's my mountain motorbike over there. So I'm just keep that motorbike there, mountain bike I mean, for remembrance, because guys, I got an accident with this mountain bike. So it's just like a remembrance. So the one who I get an accident with my mountain bike I mean. So I removed the teeth. I knocked the head on the road. So by that time, guys, don't joke around, because today I didn't have my driver. I can drive alone here and going to border town, you know. So guys, it's my time to leave. So stay tuned. More amazing videos coming on this amazing vlog for today. And I'm so late to shoot these videos because my time over here is so fixed in the morning. So I was making a research the whole week, looking the mason to written for me quotation and all stuff. In other way, when I get some money, I bought sorry guys. So today I wake up in the morning, I managed to get him. So he made for me all quotation, and the total money that I needed to finish those toilets, it's around 400 USD. So it can finish. So in case you're new here, guys, your support is fully appreciated. Let's go. You know, so stay tuned, man. Yeah. Guys, it's my time to leave, so I'm outside. I'm going to border town. That is my biological mother coming from the river fetching water. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello again.
Hello.
Yes, that's my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes. In case you're new here, my sister, she had a lot of friends outside there. So today I can bring something amazing to her. So I don't want to tell her right now. So maybe let's go. And that's my brother over there. So it's my time to leave, man. Right, guys. So I'm outside. I'm keep going to border town. So it's a long distance from my home. So I'm keep going. Wow. So this is how the beauty of my village looks like. It's very green everywhere. You can see green everywhere. Green. So today I didn't have any driver to drop me to border town, but I will manage. So let's try my own best with my own full force. Some kid over here. Oh. Yay, my village shop. They were being closed since yesterday. I don't know why. Woo. So let's go. Yes. Woo. have Achiever School at the back of mine here. Guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this vlog. We have some construction over there. You see people are working serious. Hey, baby. Yeah. So it's a distance, guys, from here, from my village up to border town. But I'm trying my best, you know. Hey. Guys, vlogging and we are driving at the same time. It's so hectic. But guys, I'm trying to make my best to give you best content ever. So I'm just driving slowly. So this is our dump site over here. Wow. This is our dump site over here. It's totally smell bad, but imagine, guys, and we have those people working the government. They're not serious, because even right now we have some protests in our village yesterday. So they want to fight for the bill of finance, you know. So I'm almost to hit the tarmac road. So I think I'm almost. So over there you see the bus passing there. Wow. Some vehicle passing. So this is how evening looks like over here. Wow. Hey. Woo. We have a hospital over there. We call U.S.A Mission, and at the same time we have a Roman Catholic church over there. Wow, that's the Roman Catholic. Big machine. They're passing a little bit. Nice house, man. All the time I was showing you there. Wow. So I'm just reaching to border town. I'm remaining with some few kilometers from here. Wow, tuk-tuk. Hey. You see, guys, for those who have some brand new machine, they're passing a baby. Wow, some bulldozers, Muslim kids, I mean. And at the far end is upcoming petrol station over here. So that's upcoming petrol station. Woo. On the other side, where I reach high. Let's go. Wow. We have some special car wash over there. In case you're new here, this is where we call border town, and it's a clean town. Wow. Hey. Let's go. And guys, I can't wait to share with you. You just stay tuned. You know, more amazing videos coming. So today people are so congested over here. That's a police car over there. So we have a police station here. Over here we go to U.S.A police station. Over there. Woo. So in case when you try to rob me my phone or my camera, I'll take you at U.S.A police station, you know. So this is how border town looks. Wow. So I'm almost driving slowly and take care of myself. Tanzanian vehicle. That's Rory. I'm almost. Wow. I'm almost to approach the new destination over here. So just I came here to confirm. So let me show you the stuff that I came to check out here. Kuna wenye wanauza chuma. Chuma. So guys, these are hardware. So I came to check some material inside here. Whereas okay. Kuna D12. Eh. Mimi.
Nani alikupa ruhusa ya kupiga chuma?
Sasa mimi sinataka chuma.
Fanya mambo yako.
Kuna D12.
Acha hapa.
Sasa mgesi kwa hapa nipelekee nyumbani.
Ni ngapi?
Nataka D12 pisi 8. Si kuna kitabu hapa na D10 bahati moja ni ya choo.
Fanya mambo yako alafu ununue chai kwanza. Chai kula hela yako.
Chai kwanza.
Nunua chai hii hapa.
Chai kwanza.
Hii hapa.
Unataka tu chai?
Wewe niwekee kahawa mdogo.
Okay guys, so he's the one who takes some material outside. So I need to promote him. So okay.
Kesho mimi nilikuwa na panga yangu nimenoa. Mister. Kahawa mura. Kahawa?
We call black cafe, it's not kahawa. Ni Kiswahili. Sasa mgesi ameenda hapa nipelekeje?
Mgesi ameenda hapa nyuma.
Wapi? Hapo nyuma.
Wewe lipa chuma tutoe.
Hadi unataka?
Hata mimi pia.
Mweke. So guys, that's the best way to promote each other here. Mimi si mheshimiwa. Mimi kama nyinyi tu.
Wewe ni mheshimiwa bana.
Mtu amekubali.
Kwa nini azikubali?
Amekubali wewe.
Jana amechoma hadi kibanda hapo.
Hapa.
Alright guys.
Huko ni kibanda kimetoka pale.
Bana gani?
Kile cha pale. Walingoja.
Another side you do have a mosque. Over there is a mosque.
Wewe simgezi kwa wapi?
Imefika ngapi?
62. Thank you sir.
This is 60.
Ayuko na simuone vipi?
Mayuko na yuko. So guys, we have some wheelbarrow over here, so I need to check. Aya, nataka D12, acha nikupe kitabu. Uone. Hapo. So I'm just over here, so I just came to make some cash.
Ndio huyo utakonfirm naye. Zilirudishwa 6.
Nataka tani kuonesha. Nataka D12 piece 5. D10 piece 5. And then unipe misumari na bati moja nadhani.
D12 na D8.
Hadi 8 achana na sijaweka kwa list bado. D10 piece 5, D12 piece 5 na misumari inchi 2.5. Sivyo ndio imeandikwa, angalia tu hapo. 3.5.
Na hizi misumari ni hizi pekee. Hizi misumari zote.
Zime ni shilingi ngapi kwanza? Sinakuja 300. So guys, I'm just here, so I need to make some cash out and then ready to go. Haya, na ingine eka bati moja mita 3 shingapi?
Nyumba ama dumza?
Nyumba ni shingapi?
Nyumba 1,150.
Na hiyo ingine
1,250.
sasa okay, hapo ni 1,100. Sawa, weka bati moja.
Niandike gani?
Bati.
Hiyo nyumba.
Weka tu mita 3. And then so I need to confirm the price. So I bought some slowly, some quotation. Imekuwa shingapi? Nataka total kifiku niambie.
Inakuwa
make calculation
13,700.
13,700, si ndio? Na ukiweka ile wire mesh ile ya kufunika choo unauzaje?
Wire mesh gani hiyo? Heavy gauge jamani.
Ile yenye draft
1,800.
draft.
Kuna nzito, nyepesi na kati.
Nzito ni shingapi? Yes, so there is wire mesh. So upime 58 hivi kwa 4. Inakuwaje? Full. Sawa. Hello.
Hello.
Hey. Niko Sirari.
Oh.
Mbona
tunafikia hapo? Uko karibu na Nyamboansi?
Siko Nyabo.
Oh.
My material over there. In the B12. Yeah. Okay. Ya tukipotea ina shida. Sasa. Kama potea ina shida. Here the receipt. Hiyo wataweka kwa tukutuko basi. Mada suto ya maitoki. There's my small over here. Nta ukwimuke mlangu tarumi hano tafadhali. That's my stuff over here. So I want to drop again back home. So this is the 8, the 12. So if you want to prove it's the 12, so there's a time I want to show you. This is the 10, you see? And then this is the 12. I mean, the 12 over here. Wow, the 12. Right. Alright guys, so I look some stuff here to purchase for my sister. So I need to support my sister with some small surprise, I think. Okay. So, okay, I'm just over here looking cookies. Isn't the cookies? Alright, so I need to check the cookies over here. Tafutie cookies. How much? Nipatie hizi. Nipatie the same color. Nice. Then let's bought her some juice over here. Sit down and celebrate. Oh. I think this is enough for my sister here. Yeah. I can get that so I bought 1 liter for my sister. Supermarket over there, so it's my time to go back home. Wow. So this is surprise for my sister. I just make it and then so we call this slice supermarket over here. Ange homo kere gisiri.
Tamunya haro tanagasi.
Yeah. Oh. Hey. Iga? Guisa kiandu mwana tano. This. And then I need to go to Nyabohanse. Today is a market day. So, norasoki uligurusiri bakohe obohe mwisho hano ubibare kama 12 pyonsu 10.
Yeah, I need have to calculate.
10 so kinda ndakwetera masenti yani
Okay.
yani sirari ni mutu damaro kote mayero egeta na maliste ombeke karamu mwevere. So at the same time tahirwa byonsi ni mabyonsi mbirenge 10 so kyobara kama 12 kulingana nkuhichimbire. So I'm telling him to confirm, to count. It's 10, so the 12.5, the 10.5 total number. We have 10 silver, 1 iron sheet, 1 wire mesh, and all stuff. Okay, va. Fungua hapa. Fungua ni kuna nini ndani? My sister, she doesn't have any clue. Fungua ne. Kuna nini? Toa. This cookies. You know vizuri sasa, hiyo venye umeshika. Yeah. So I bought 2, but in different styles. These are kind of love. Different styles. These cookies and these cookies again. Fungua yenye iko kwa juara. Ndani kuna nini kwa kipepsi? Hey, my sister. She fair. Wewe, eka kwa karatasi wewe ndio tuzu utakunywa baadaye. Ni zako.
You are my friend, first of all, is my sister. Yo, you see, now working hard. I have to assist him to eat, see something. Let me assist her to packing it. Yeah, let me take it.
Oh.
Yeah. You know this one? This is my one. Yours. Take it inside.
Okay. Pereka basi uchukue sita tuende Nyabohanse haraka.
Wait just by 10 minutes.
Okay, so guys, let me wear my jacket and oh, usokiri. Okay, have this. Aya, tatora mbibi mabonsu nyumba.
Yeah, I like to say thank you and God bless you. We are here is in basement. Tomorrow I'm working here in the toilet there. I have to something to maintain anywhere else.
Leta chuma. So he just requesting for me some work to squeeze some sand from from my side of my toilet, so to put aside, because there's a time when God allowed me, when I'm still alive, I would demolish this house and then I construct a modern one for our family. Maybe for the guests who came to visit me again, we shall have made some special house to sleep and all stuff, man. So I'm trying. Right, so Yabon. Okay, so I need to take my sister to the market, so support her, maybe a jacket or a skirt. So let's see, man. So I'm just here to support my sister, even my brother. Wow. So my sister, she need to open. So let me open for her. I'm trying to open for her juice. Yes. Okay. New shoes, cookies, juice. Where go you? Hey.
Diga, acha mimi.
All right.
Enjoy. Enjoy baba.
Kunywa usikie vile iko.
Achana na hiyo.
Yes, I'm telling her to drink and have a flavor. Because Nzuri. Tastes very good, very nice. Say thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Guys, so today is a market day, so I want to take my sister to the market. And maybe unataka nikununue viatu? Ndarama.
Viatu.
Kununue viatu. Ama unataka nguo?
I'm a driver.
Unataka viatu? So guys, I'm asking my sister, choose one of the best, shoes or clothes. Unataka nguo ama viatu?
Viatu.
She needs shoes, guys. From her bottom of her heart, let's bought shoes, guys. I want her to do some. So guys, we keep going with my sister. I take her to Nyabohanse, guys. You know, so she's back. You see, that's my sister there. So I take her back to Nyabohanse. So I'm telling her, you need clothes or shoes. She decide or agree she needs shoes. So let's go. Guys, we keep moving, but my sister should have a half term for the 1 week. So today is school days, but government of Kenya decide every term should have a half term, you know. You see, so I'm just over here. So let's go. Yeah. Okay, so I thank God because right now my sister should have a break of the half time. Oh. This is my former primary school, so right now my sister she wanna learn here. So hapa ndio unasoma? Darasa yako iko wapi?
Ndio hiyo.
I'm asking her about her class, so it's just one right over here. This house that you see here, the first door is her class, guys. So let's go. Try to look the size. Dada, sasa wewe utakufanya je Mungu wangu? Pimba hii.
Sasa sitamtoshi kikata.
Sogeza.
Songeza. Nitamtoshi.
Ziko sawa?
Tutaweza kukuwekea screen protector kwa bei nafuu kwa shilingi 100.
Ziko sawa?
Kujibiwa vizuri.
Na unaenda tarehe Ijumaa.
Haya, mwambie akufungie. Ni shilingi ngapi?
Mimi 200.
Alright guys, so we bought the new shoes for my sister, and then this is the toys on done. So this is the old one. So at least she can change. Yeah. Okay. Aya, nenda kwa nyumba. Alright. Okay. And try to imagine at the same time she have a juice, cookies. She wanna enjoy a lot. Guys, I wanna say thank you so much. So it's so late here. I need to upload these videos. And guys, I wanna say thank you a million. May God bless you. But I think my sister she have some friend from abroad. I wanna say technically entire of the world. So guys, bye bye.